Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to index a sitemap in Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account, and this is my website built using WordPress. First, to locate my sitemap URL, simply write after your domain name slash sitemap.xml and hit enter. And these are all of your sitemaps for this website. Now go back to your Google Search Console account. Make sure that you are working on your correct website and go to sitemaps. And here you need to add your new sitemap. For example, you can either go with the parent sitemap or index all of these sitemaps individually. As you see, this sitemap is for posts, which means articles. This sitemap is for pages. This one is for products, for taxonomies, categories, and for product categories. Let's go with the posts sitemap. All you need to copy is this part of your sitemap URL. Click on copy, go back to your sitemaps page, fill it here, and hit submit. As you can see, my sitemap was indexed successfully. Dismiss this window. And now repeat the same thing with all of your WordPress website sitemaps. Click on Paste, hit Submit, wait a moment, and dismiss this message. As you can see, my sitemaps are submitted successfully. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger, hosting, and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.